Streak CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're looking for a CRM that integrates seamlessly with your Gmail, Streak might seem like a perfect choice. But is it really worth it? Let's break it down. Streak is a lightweight CRM that works entirely within your Gmail inbox, allowing you to manage your sales pipeline, customer support, hiring processes, and even personal projects without ever leaving your email. It's designed for entrepreneurs, freelancers, small business owners, and sales teams who spend a lot of time in Gmail and want to track interactions without juggling separate platforms. One of the biggest selling points is that Streak lets you turn your inbox into a powerful CRM with features like customizable pipelines, email tracking, mail merge, task reminders, and automatic data capture from your emails. It also has shared pipelines, which means you can collaborate with your team in real time, track leads, and assign tasks, all within Gmail. The mobile app is another plus, allowing you to manage your pipeline on the go. Now, let's talk about usability. Streak is incredibly easy to set up. There's no need to migrate data or learn a new tool. It's literally an extension you install on Chrome. Once it's active, you'll see a new Pipelines tab in your inbox, and from there, you can start managing your contacts and deals. It also comes with built-in templates for various use cases, like sales, project management, and customer support. But here's the catch. While Streak's free plan offers basic features, the real value is in the paid plans. The free version is limited to 500 tracked emails per month, and features like advanced reporting, integrations, and enhanced email tracking are locked behind a paywall. The pricing starts at $15 per user per month, which might be steep for freelancers or small businesses on a tight budget. Another potential downside is that since it operates inside Gmail, you're tied to that ecosystem. If you use other email providers, Streak won't work for you. Additionally, while it's great for managing emails and contacts, it's not a full-fledged CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce. It lacks advanced automation features, robust reporting, and third-party integrations you might expect from bigger CRMs. So, who is Streak really for? If your workflow revolves around Gmail and you want a simple, no-frills CRM to manage leads or projects, it's a great choice. However, if you need advanced features, automation, or multi-platform flexibility, you might outgrow Streak quickly. In summary, it's an excellent tool for Gmail power users, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution.